So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are basically going to discuss that what is a voltmeter, in what purpose it is used, and I am going to show you the connection of the voltmeter with AC and DC supply, as well as I am going to show a practical test. So first we are going to focus that what is a voltmeter. Voltmeter is a device to measure the voltage. Yes, so voltmeter is a device used to measure a voltage of any AC or DC source. So it's look like this. So it is a voltmeter. It can work on AC as well as on the DC source. So at the last I'm going to show the practical on this voltmeter. So now I'm going to show you that how you can connect a voltmeter with a DC and a AC source. First I'm going to show the DC source, which means direct current. So as we know that DC current is means direct current. So this is our voltmeter, which is something like this, and it has two terminals which will directly go to the battery or to a cell. I am taking a 12 volt 7 amperes battery. This is for the DC source. So I am repeating it once more, that to connect a voltmeter to a battery or a cell, we need to connect the two terminals of the battery to the two different terminals of the battery. Means to see the voltage of a battery or any DC source, we need to connect one end of the voltmeter to the positive and another end of the voltmeter to the negative terminal of the DC source. So now we are going to see the AC, which is alternating current. So I'm going to write this AC and alternating current. So again I'm taking this voltmeter. So again we are going to take these two terminals and connect with AC source. So here is the AC source. This is a symbol of the AC source. So this is the schematic diagram of how we can connect a voltmeter with AC as well as a DC source. Please make sure that the if you are using a voltmeter in the AC source, make sure that the voltmeter is applicable in the AC source. If you mistakenly buy a voltmeter for the DC source and you plug in the AC source, the voltmeter can get short or can get blast. So make sure in that case. So this is our schematic diagram. So now is the part of doing the practical. So I'm going to connect. I don't have a DC source right now, so I'm going to show you with the AC source. So I'm going to connect a plug having this wire with these two terminals and then show you. So I have done all the connections. As you can see, I've connected a wire which I'm going to give in the AC current. So like this. See, this is the AC source, which will give the AC source directly into the voltmeter. This is the one terminal of voltmeter and this is another terminal. So here I'm going to give the positive, which is a phase, and here I'm going to give the neutral. So here is my multi-plug from where I'm going to give the power source to it. So I think I should make it up here. See, now it is showing 0. When I'm going to plug this in the socket, you can see that the meter is going to show the value of the voltage it is giving. See, it is showing that it is giving a voltage of 230 to 250 volt. As I'm plugging it out, it is not showing. As I'm going to plug it, it will show. So that's it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.